if you are interested in getting $100 from an airdrop, so I'm going to quickly be showing you that particular airdrop in this particular video, and I'm also going to show you every single thing that is you need to know about this particular airdrop, and then I'm going to also share with you those who are supporting it and why you should join this particular project. So this video is going to be very interesting. So please, before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. First thing you need to know is that this project is actually backed by the third largest company in the world. And if you look right here in front of me, I just went to Google and I googled the largest companies by market cap, and if you look right here, you see that we have the Apple, we have the Microsoft coming on the number second, and then the third one is the Nvidia right here, and that is the company that is actually backing this particular project. And that is why I feel that you should not miss out on this particular project. They have already received a funding of over $15 million. So this project is a project that I don't want you to be missing it out. So if I just bring you back to my Telegram like this, I'm going to drop the link in the description section of this post and also in the comment section. So you just need to copy this link like this. So once you copy it, you are going to take it to your browser. You can take it to MetaMask. You can take it to your Macy's browser, and you can also use your Chrome on your computer. But for the sake of those who are participating on airdrops, basically using their phone, I'm going to just use my phone and log into my MetaMask right here and show you the step-by-step process on how to register an account and how to participate in this particular airdrop. So once you copy the link, you are just going to go ahead and head over to your browser like I said, and in my case I'm heading to MetaMask, and on the MetaMask right here, all you have to do is come over to this section and then you click on that, and then right here you just have to come over to these pages right here. These are the number of pages I've created, so I will just add one. So once I add that particular one, and then I'm just going to come down right here on the search bar right here, and then I'm just going to click on that. So once I click on it like this, I will just come over here and paste that particular link that I copied, or that you are going to find in the description section and also in the comment section, and then you're just going to come over here and then you click on enter right here. So once you click on enter, you just wait for it to load. It is going to load up to this page. So the first thing you have to do is click on connect wallet. So you are simply going to connect your BNB wallet to this project. So you can see as I clicked on it, it just come out here. So you just click on connect. So once you click on connect, you wait for it to load again, and then you're just going to go ahead and click on confirm. So once you click on confirm, it is going to load you into the project bot like this. So you just have to chill. It's still trying to load, and then it is going to bring you to this page where you have to sign. So you simply have to click on sign. So once you click on sign like this, you have given them a go ahead to log you into the bot. And then once it loads up, it is going to bring you to this page like this. So you can see we have actually successfully entered here, and once you enter here, you can see this is where you can get your invite, where you can get your referral code to invite your friends. And then if you just come over here, you can see that you can do some quests right here. So in the quest section right here, you just have to maintain your daily check-in, and if you come right here, you see this is where you are going to be clicking your for your daily check-in, and for completing it for 7 days, you are going to get an extra bonus points for completing for 7 straight days. And then the next thing you have to do is come over to this section right here, and then you are going to come over to the profile section right here, and then you are going to make sure that you connect all these your socials. The first thing is your Twitter handle, and then the second thing will be your Discord, and then the last thing will be your email address. So once you have connected these things, then you are ready, and then you can just come back to the reward section here where you are going to be completing tasks to earn. So it's as simple as that. And then if you come over to the leaderboard like right here, so this is the leaderboard where you can track what other people are doing for you to know exactly how you can earn and grow more in your account. So guys, that is how it is, and it is a farming project and very simple like I have shared with you. So you can simply make sure that you go ahead and do it. So you can see as I just clicked on the check-in like this. Now let me quickly show you this, because you need to know. So once you click on the check-in like this, it is going to load up like this. So you can see that they are asking me you need 0.0003 more BNB to complete this transaction. So this is almost nothing. It is almost nothing in terms of, let me just quickly deposit it for you to see. So you just have to come back to your wallet section right here. So this is what you are going to do. So this is my wallet, so this is my BNB, this is what you need to deposit. So you just click on that, and then you click on receive, and then you can just go ahead, copy your address. So once you copy your address, you can head over to an exchange and just purchase some BNB, and then send it to this particular address that you just copied right here. So guys, if you come back right here, you see that I've deposited 0.0005 BNB right here, and it is just worth about $0.3 right here. It is not even up to half a dollar, that is 5 cents. So all you have to do is come back right here, and then you are just going to head back to your browser. Your browser is the page where we were registering for the project. So you just have to come back to it. So once you come back to it right now, you just have to come to complete quest, and then you just come and click on the check-in. So once you click on it like this, it is going to load up like this. So you just have to click on confirm. So, and then once you click on confirm, you can just go ahead. You can see that the transaction submitted, and then it is going to show you that I have logged in for the first day right here. So I've completed the one check-in. So you can see right now it has highlighted, and then they have tick marked the first day, and I've earned 15 points for it. So that is how you can do it and continue to earn. It's as simple as this. I believe that they are trying to make sure that everybody is human and no robots are joining this project. So if you are interested, you can just go to the comment section and in the description section and hit over and start immediately. Like I have said, it is backed by the third largest company in the world, and you have seen it right there from Google. You can just go and Google about Nvidia, and you are going to know more about it. So that is everything I thought of sharing with you in this particular video, guys. So please make sure that you join and start up immediately. So until then, see you in my next video.